Hey, in this video, I am going to help you up your video ranking game on YouTube with some great signals to improve upon. In other words, I want your videos to appear in the top 5 of search results. So let's get into it right now. What's up, YouTube universe? I hope that you are having a great day so far, and a humongous thank you to the subscribers, likers, commenters, and sharers of my videos. We are in this journey together. If you are here for the first time, welcome aboard. I'm Brad, and my passion is to provide tips and inspiration for new YouTubers and content creators. If I can do it, you can do it too. Watch this video to the end. We will be talking about ranking influences, views, comments, subscribes, likes, dislikes, shares, CTR, video length, and retention. Did you know that YouTube is the second largest search engine? Their focus is to give the most relevant results in a user's search query. YouTube algorithms uses an assortment of metrics to decide the ranking of a video in the search result, some having a bigger impact than others. If you want to rank in the top 5 of search results, scratch that. Not if. You want to rank in the top 5 search results, then you must know what to optimize. Let's face it, most people are not going to go through the entire page of the search result. They are going to click on one of the first 5 thumbnails. One of the main metrics accounted by the algorithm is keywords in the title, descriptions, tags, video length, and engagement. In my last video, I talked a lot about the importance of audience retention and thumbnails. Audience retention is also a ranking factor, which is why you want to deliver content that people will want to keep watching. Here's a little tough love. You can have the best thumbnails, the most attractive titles, hand-picked keywords, but if your content sucks, if your sound quality is bad, people are not going to keep watching your videos all the way through to the end. Your viewers must be engaged and engaging. If you are not there yet, that's okay. At the beginning of your YouTube journey, people are still checking you out, and you are still learning how to analyze your metrics. The people that want to watch and eat up all your content, your real subs, your ride or dies, have not found you yet. Let's talk about views. Numbers begets numbers. It is the reason why videos go viral. For example, if you hear about a video of a chicken playing the piano that is getting millions of views, you would want to see it too. It is a circle. More views get higher ranks in search, which then gets more views. You can get more views on YouTube by sharing your YouTube links to your friends and followers on social media. Talk to people offline about your channel with excitement and enthusiasm so that they know that you're going places. If you write a blog, be sure to write an article around one of your videos and embed that video in your posts. Browse Quora, Reddit, or Yahoo Answers, find a question or a forum, give the answer, and share one of your videos as it relates to your written response to add value. Ain't nobody got time for long videos, right? Wrong. The fact is, users interact better with longer videos, and if they enjoy the first couple minutes of your content, they are likely to continue watching, which equals more watch hours for you. Here's what it boils down to. YouTube wants to promote videos that keep people on the platform for a longer period. So the preference would be for extended videos. Longer videos can also provide more value in a single video versus a series of shorter ones. But please do not stretch out your videos for the sake of making the video long. Make sure that your video is chock full of content and give your subs what they want. Have you ever heard the saying, any publicity is good publicity? No one at YouTube are watching and rating your videos. No one at Google are handpicking your videos to show first, second, third, fourth, or even fifth in search results. The process is entirely automated. If a video has social validation, this vouches for its quality. YouTube focuses a lot on how viewers interact with the content. Engagement signals carry more weight over YouTube video ranking than keywords and tags. Therefore, you want to ask your viewers to subscribe, like, comment, and share. The one exception, the title does carry a little bit more weight than social engagement. If you're afraid that someone may say something negative about your video in the comments, do not turn your comments off. YouTube sees comments as a good thing. If a user took the time out of their busy day to add a comment to your video, that means your video is engaging. You want to give your viewers a reason to leave comments by asking a direct question that will allow them to give a short response or even an elaborate answer. Ask for feedback or advice on which type of content your subs would like to see next. You should reply to the comments to create an open dialogue between you and your viewers. Treat it like a social media post. Make sure to thank them for posting and make the ask. What's the ask? If someone watches your video and at the end they subscribe, that means they enjoyed your content and want more of it. YouTube algorithm is going to recognize that this video is valued and that other people will also enjoy your video too. In marketing, you have to ask for the sale. On YouTube, you have to ask for the subscribers. Do not be shy to ask for subscribers. You can pepper the ask throughout your video, or you can ask for subscribers once or twice at the beginning or end of your video. Here's a fun fact. The first time that I ever subscribed to a channel was the first time a YouTuber asked me to subscribe in their video. What happens when someone shares your video? It might be exactly what you were thinking. Highly shared videos outrank videos with fewer shares. Encourage viewers to share your video. You and your subscribers can share your videos from the YouTube platform using links that you can provide to your friends on social media. The platform tracks where your videos are shared and where the traffic is coming from. It is all there in your analytics. Basically, if people are sharing your video, that means it is worth watching, and if it is worth watching, YouTube decides that your video is worthy of a higher ranking than a similar video in your niche with less shares. Does it hurt your ego when someone dislikes your video? Well, it should not. Likes and dislikes are engagement, which results in a better ranking for your videos. Dislikes are still taken into consideration as engagement and will not necessarily hurt your video ranking. Now, there is a way to disable the rating displayed in your YouTube videos, but I strongly discourage you from doing so. Here's why. The platform does not distinguish between likes and dislikes. So if a video has 1 like and 500 dislikes, it is the same as 500 likes and 1 dislike. So chill and enjoy the dislike. It is proof that people are watching and interacting with your videos. I'm hearing a lot about the CTR. What does this even mean? CTR means click-through rate, which is huge on YouTube as a ranking factor. When a user performs a search query based on all the factors we have discussed in this video, YouTube may show your video in the top 5 of the search results. When a user clicks on your video, it tells the platform that your video is worth watching and reward you with boosting your ranking the next time someone performs a similar search. However, if the user does not click on your video, this will lower the ranking in the next search, and obviously you do not want this to happen. You want to make sure that you have a compelling title, description, and a captivating thumbnail by standing out from everyone else in your niche. But don't stress, a 5 to 10% click-through rate is healthy. Anything over 15 or 20% means that your thumbnails may be clickbait if you have a low retention rate. I know that I was able to give my best tips to get your videos ranking in the top 5 of search results. To continue our journey, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. I promise that you will not want to miss a single video. I hope that I was able to inspire you to start or reboot a YouTube channel. With my tips and suggestions, I know that you are going to be a success on YouTube, and a big congratulations. Remember, you're only as good as your last video, so for every new video that you produce, you should be better than the one before it. I want you to know that you can do this. You can start your own YouTube channel. To succeed in life, You must grow bigger than the problem that you got to overcome. You don't have to have any special IQ. You don't have to have any special talent. All you need is to have courage and confidence in your own abilities. You have got to realize that it is no matter how you see yourself in front of the mirror, it is what's on the inside that counts. There's so much in store for you if you just begin. George Eliot said, "It is never too late to be what you might have been." Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. God loves you and so do I.